tiny spaghetti on your plate hides a massive secret factory. Every single day, this factory produces over 1,400 tons of spaghetti for millions of people.
But the real mystery is, how do these delicate spaghetti strands move this fast without breaking?
And what giant machine can create thousands of spaghetti strands in only a few seconds?
Today, we enter one of the world's most incredible spaghetti factories, controlled almost entirely by machines. The journey begins with special durum wheat, arriving in massive quantities every single hour. Thousands of kilograms of wheat move through giant pipelines deep inside the factory system. Powerful cleaning machines remove every tiny stone, dust particle, and damaged grain before processing begins. Then the wheat is carefully washed and dried to guarantee perfect spaghetti quality. Even tiny contamination could ruin the entire production process inside this giant factory. After cleaning, the wheat enters enormous grinding machines that transform it into fine golden flour. This special flour is the secret ingredient behind strong and perfectly shaped spaghetti. Workers constantly monitor moisture levels to make sure the spaghetti never becomes too weak. If the flour becomes too dry or too wet, the spaghetti could easily break during production. Now the flour enters a giant mixer, where powerful blades rapidly combine water and semolina. Inside the machine, massive rotating blades create soft dough within only a few minutes. Now comes the most incredible part of the entire factory: the giant spaghetti extruder.
One small mistake here could destroy millions of spaghetti strands before they even reach packaging.
Now comes the most incredible part of the entire factory: the giant spaghetti extruder. The machine pushes soft dough through special molds using enormous industrial pressure. Now the factory enters its fastest section, the fully automated packaging line. Advanced inspection cameras scan every single spaghetti strand moving through the factory.
Children excitedly pick their favorite spaghetti brands from endless supermarket shelves.
Most people never imagine the giant machines hidden behind moments like these.
Most people never imagine the giant machines hidden behind moments like these.
Look at you, buddy. You've got more on your face than in your mouth.
He loves it. More cheese, please.
Hundreds of delivery trucks leave this factory every single day, carrying spaghetti across entire cities. Most shoppers never realize the giant industrial process hidden behind just one packet. After drying, the spaghetti moves into the cutting section, where precision blades work at incredible speed. Computers constantly adjust humidity and temperature every second during the drying process. Advanced computer systems control temperature, speed, pressure, and quality every second. Gigantic machines, endless conveyor belts, and non-stop precision make this factory truly incredible. Behind every package stands an enormous factory, filled with powerful machines working non-stop. If the heat becomes too high, entire batches of spaghetti could be completely ruined. While workers change shifts, the giant production lines continue moving without interruption.
And in the end, all this technology exists for one simple purpose: bringing people together.
Families share conversations, laughter, and memories while enjoying this simple meal together.
Soon the entire family gathers around the table,
ready to enjoy dinner together.
But now, you have seen the incredible journey behind every spaghetti packet. Gigantic warehouse areas hold endless rows of spaghetti, ready for global delivery. This powerful machine can produce tons of spaghetti every single hour without stopping. Even at night, this massive factory never truly sleeps. Every strand must survive heat, pressure, transport, and finally cooking inside your kitchen.
A world of heat, pressure, precision, and non-stop automation hidden inside one factory. Then, giant sealing machines lock every package tightly to keep the spaghetti perfectly fresh.
Dates, barcodes, and brand labels are printed automatically in only a fraction of a second. Powerful robotic arms place spaghetti into packets at incredible lightning speed.
If any spaghetti is broken or damaged, robotic systems instantly remove it from production. Robots move with incredible accuracy, faster than most humans can even react. Next, robotic systems stack thousands of spaghetti boxes onto massive shipping pallets. The precision inside this factory is almost impossible to believe.
Within minutes, the dry factory-made spaghetti transforms into soft, delicious pasta. Within minutes, the dry factory-made spaghetti transforms into soft, delicious pasta. Every strand is cut to the exact same size, using ultra-fast automated blades. Long strands of spaghetti slide into boiling water as steam fills the kitchen atmosphere. Next, the soft spaghetti enters massive heated tunnels designed for slow, controlled drying.
That is why strict quality control is one of the factory's most important stages.
The precision here is so accurate that even tiny size differences are automatically detected. But hidden behind this simple meal is one of the world's most advanced food factories. The spaghetti slowly becomes stronger, so it can survive transport and cooking without breaking.
And finally, the spaghetti reaches homes where families prepare delicious meals together.
Only perfectly shaped spaghetti continues forward toward the final packaging stage.
These enormous tunnels are extremely hot and carefully controlled by advanced computer systems.
Thousands of finished packets race across the factory every single minute without stopping. And suddenly, thousands of spaghetti strands appear at the exact same moment. The scene looks almost like a giant golden waterfall flowing through the factory. A single fork of spaghetti carries the story of an entire industrial world behind it.
From wheat storage to final packaging, every stage follows a perfectly synchronized process. Millions of people around the world purchase spaghetti almost every single day. Only hours later, the same spaghetti arrives at supermarkets, ready for customers to buy.
From simple wheat grains to finished pasta, the transformation is truly extraordinary.
Experienced workers constantly supervise the machines to prevent even the smallest mistake. Only a few workers are needed because almost the entire factory operates automatically.
Workers carefully monitor pressure and speed to prevent the delicate spaghetti from breaking.
Thousands of moving parts work together perfectly every second to keep production running smoothly.
And every single day, the process begins all over again, without ever slowing down.
So the next time you eat spaghetti, you will remember the giant factory behind every bite.
Massive machines, incredible engineering, and millions of meals connected by one amazing process.
Subscribe now for more unbelievable factory stories from around the world.